Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Education World, and going further with pronouns, we are going to discuss today kinds of pronoun. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future. The first pronoun that we're going to discuss today is possessive pronoun. Pronouns that tell us which thing belongs to whom are called as possessive pronouns. Like this discusses about the ownership. Mine, yours, his, her, ours, theirs. These are the words that tell us the things belongs to whom. Is this your pencil? This is his house. This car belongs to a demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are the pronouns that are used to point out at people or things. Demonstration. How do we demonstrate anything? We use this, that, these, those. For example, let's take this chair is broken. That car is expensive. These clothes are wet. Those birds are flying north. So this, that and these are the words that are pointing out at people or things. So they are called as demonstrative pronoun. The interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun are the word that ask question. So what kind of words do you think ask question? Who, whom, whose, what, where, whether, why. They are sometimes what we call as WH words, and they are used to ask both direct and indirect questions. Reflexive pronouns. To understand the meaning of the word pronoun, we need to understand the meaning of the word itself. Reflexive means coming back to the subject, and these words always end with self, with singular selves in plural. So myself, itself, herself, yourself, himself. In the plural it becomes yourself. In plural it becomes themselves, ourselves. To understand this better, let's take an example. Reflexive pronoun refer back to the subject of the sentence. They are usually used when the object is the same as the subject. Let's take an example. Animals feed themselves. So animals are the subject and they're feeding themselves. The other hint for you is reflexive always comes in the end of the sentence. Generally, she made the coffee herself. So she's the subject over here and she made the coffee for herself. So again, you can see the word self is coming at the end of the sentence. The fifth one is emphasizing pronoun. Pronouns that are used for emphasis are called as emphasizing pronoun. What is the meaning of the word emphasis? Emphasis means importance of the noun or the pronoun. To give you a hint, emphasizing pronoun always come in the beginning of the sentence and they are followed by the pronoun. Like for the example, he is a pronoun over here and you will find himself exactly after the pronoun. He himself organized the picnic. She again is a pronoun. She herself baked the cake. So they are generally used after the pronoun.